कल आपका कंपटीशन होने वाला है, ये जानना चाहूंगी कि किस तरह से तैयारी चल रही है आपकी?
Basically, she's asking tomorrow.
Yeah.
IHFF Sheru Classic is starting. How excited you are to be in India?
Yeah, finally, I come back to India. Finally, it's happening again. The IHFF and Sheru Classic Expo. We are in a time that is being a hard time with the virus, but finally it's happening. We are coming back to the expos. I'm here so happy to finally meet all the people, meet all my fans again, and also here with Sheru. Enjoying a great time here in Mumbai, also in India. And yeah, I'm so excited for the weekend. A lot of is happening. The competition, all the brands are coming to show the products. Also myself, a new product. So for India, for the Indian market, that I'm so excited about it. And yeah, I can't wait for this weekend.
What do you want to say about India? How was your experience?
My experience always has been great. That's why I come. This is my 6th or 7th time that I come, and the people is amazing. I feel a lot of connection with everybody, and I enjoy a lot of with somebody that knows me and stop me to take a picture, to talk a bit about anything. So yeah, I'm always really happy to come back.
Most important thing, he's launching his own brand as well. Which is big news. And
Yeah.
tomorrow we are launching his brand, and he's starting launch of his brand in India. Correct?
Yeah. We manufacture here, and we're gonna be focused on the market of India mainly, and yeah, it's gonna be a product to help everybody, to be in terms of food, healthy food, healthy lifestyle. So keep a good diet with, and become healthier. So yeah, I'm really excited. I hope everybody likes. I do with a lot of experience of, in the industry, and yeah, I hope everybody see the launching, and then hopefully try.
Can we know more about your brand?
Yeah. The brand, we are working now like half a year in developing the products, and now it's ready to sell. Yeah, it's gonna be, as I said, it's in relation with the food for fitness and also mainstream, food that you can use in your daily basics to keep a healthy diet and a healthy lifestyle.
So regarding the championship, how much are you pressurized right now?
Sorry?
Regarding your championship, how much are you pressurized right now?
No, he's not competing.
not
He's
competing.
just an influencer.
You are influencer.
Yeah. Plus, he's launched his own business. He's involved in different brand endorsements, not only in India but across the world. So he came. For us, for our event as well. He's one of the main leading stars because Indian market is heavily influenced by him and his presence. And if you check his Instagram or social media, is a very popular man. And apart from that, he's been involved in the entertainment industry as well, back in Los Angeles. But most important thing, he's always been supporting Indian market, Indians in general, and coming to our event. This is his, I'll say, since 2016. Every year he's coming and supporting us, and because of him, we get a lot of enthusiasm, motivating a lot of Indian, young fitness fraternity.
So as people is more interested about Indian markets, so what are you interested about? What is the main reason you're liking Indian items and all?
The main reason about
The main reason you're liking Indian item, what is the main reason you're investing more in India?
She's saying, what makes you curious? How Indian market is one of the leading business
Yeah.
hub for you and your
Yeah,
brand.
yeah. Also because in India is a big population that is becoming interested on the industry of the fitness, sports. So that's why I'm interested too, because it's growing so much. And I'm really happy to be, a motivator, an icon for them to keep a lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, be involved with the physical activity, the sports, also to learn about nutrition, food. So keep healthy, keep a good lifestyle. So for me, it's an honor to try to show the people, to try to teach the people how to do it. And yeah, that's why I'm interested here, because I see every year is responding since the first time and to now everything grows a lot. Every year is still growing a lot, and you can see, in all the people that is in the gyms, trying to progress in the gyms. Also more gyms, also more brands. Also, the industry is growing, so that's great. that's a great thing for India.
You both seem to have a nice body, I can see that. And so, what's your main fitness mantra? Would you like to share the audience?
My mind.
Your main, what makes you motivated to be fit, and your reason, the secret of your fitness, which you can share with the audience.
Yeah, I think you always, when I was younger, I do get motivated because you see a physique that you want to achieve, you want to improve your physique. And then you also, for me, my training and my workouts are my therapy, and also is how I keep in shape. Not just the aesthetics, it's also more about how you feel, feeling strong, feeling healthy. So overall, all this mixture is what makes me stay motivated always to keep going and training and and progressing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good.
Nice.
Competed in local shows, national shows, here in India and Asia. More scope of this field is outside of India, and of course I got my motivation from my brother, from my cousin Vishnu, and the Vishnu we own the biggest UFC franchise and it's one of the biggest locations. We are at about 30,000 square feet. It's 5 acres right now. We go in different states and maybe do something back in India as well. So we just started that this year, in 2021. We did the biggest national show in the United States and 8 to 9 regional shows. So that focus on getting locations, big locations. It's been a great journey so far. A lot of things have been done in a short period of time. It's just been 4 years since I've been in the United States, but since 2019 I've been in the gym. Since last year, we took over one of the biggest shows in the United States. And this year, in December 16th, 17th, 18th, we are having the national show coming along with the expo.
इतना लंबा बात ये है फिर फोटो नीचे हो गया चल बारिश हो रही है UFC ये देख हाँ तो ले आए इससे ज़्यादा नहीं
मैं अक्कल में छुपा तो आज का ईमानदारी से बात इसीलिए मैं दिल्ली से बैठना है उसका इवेंट आज रात में अवार्ड का 4 बजे का कोई नहीं ऐसे तो वाले शुरू करने हैं शायद
सेशन में आया था करना
उसको बना
सारे भैया
खाली देखो ना
माइक ले
तो इधर ही बोलते पीछे रहना कोई आगे मत जाओ हाँ नहीं जाओगे नहीं दोनों अबे जो मैं मारे